Hey guys, we're back with the 1970 Nova Super Sport. I think I'm going to try to get the front end put back together today. Getting sort of tired of seeing it look like this. So that's what we're going to do. We'll start by putting the grill and everything back in and just get it back together and make it look as best we can. So hope you guys enjoy. Let's start by putting this headlight trim in. We'll work on getting that in and see how far we get today. So it's already pretty late, but I wanted to get something recorded. So here we go. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to buy a new bumper. This bumper got damaged in the wreck, so it's pushed in pretty good right there. So we'll have to get a new bumper. I can't find the grill. The grill is missing, and I think somebody just took it because I had all my Nova parts on these shelves. And it's the only thing gone. So somebody wanted to hang it up or something is what they did with it. So I've got to order a new grill. And I just got to looking at this headlight bracketry. It's not in the best of shape. This one's okay, but I don't want to go for just okay. I want it to look great. But oops, that's the wrong side. That shouldn't be the wrong side. There we go. It'll go in there like that. Then I have a headlight surround over there, and I got the headlights in the car. So we'll put them in. But I'm a little bit upset about that grill. I cannot find it. So I know somebody took it. I just know they did. I know I put it there. So we'll see if we can't find a new one online. But we will see if we can't get the rest of this put together pretty quick. We'll do a short video of this, do a longer video later on, and hopefully we can get some more parts pretty quick. But as some of y'all know, this ain't cheap doing this, so that's the biggest problem. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to you next time.